Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to ask Resogra to cover your shipping costs, so you can offer free shipping and win more sales. Let's get started. Resogra can help pay your shipping costs for you. In your vendor menu, under Orders, click Apply for free shipping to open the application form. First, choose which products you want Resogra to cover shipping on. You can pick one, a few, or all of them. Hold the Control key to select more than one. Next, tell Resogra why free shipping would help. A clear reason, like winning more buyers in faraway regions, makes your request much stronger. This field is required. Add an estimate of how many orders you get each month. This helps Resogra understand the size of the support you are asking for. If there is anything else worth knowing, like how light your items are, add it in the optional notes box. Finally, click Submit Application. Resogra reviews every request by hand, so approval is never automatic, and you will get an email with the decision. That is all it takes to ask for free shipping. And that's it. You now know how to apply for free shipping on Resogra. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.